Here's how to allow Messenger to access your photos. First, open Facebook Messenger on your iPhone or Android. If you go into a conversation and try to share a photo or video by tapping the little gallery icon, you might see a message saying that Messenger doesn't have permission to access your photos and videos. To enable this, head to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security, then scroll further to find Photos. Tap on it and look for Messenger in the list. If it's set to None, you can change it to Limited Access to select specific photos or Full Access to allow access to all your photos. Choose the option you prefer. If you don't see an option to give full access, you may need to check screen time settings. Go back to the main settings page, tap Screen Time. It's usually right above or below Focus. Then scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is turned on, tap it and look for any restrictions under Photos or Messenger. If Messenger is set to Limited Access and you're unable to change it, make sure the Allow Changes option is enabled, or consider turning off content and privacy restrictions entirely. If that still doesn't solve the issue, try this. 1. Go back to Settings and tap on General. 2. Select iPhone Storage, or equivalent on Android. 3. Find Messenger in the list of apps. 4. Tap it and choose Offload App or Uninstall App on Android. Then reinstall the app. This process clears the app's cache and ensures you're using the latest version of Messenger. After reinstalling, open Messenger again, and the issue should be resolved. You'll now be able to send photos and videos as usual. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really supports me. Thanks!